If your vehicle is equipped with a power liftgate, place the shift lever in park before operating the liftgate. Use one of the following methods to open the power liftgate. Press this button on the instrument panel, press and hold the power liftgate button on the intelligent key, or press this button on the liftgate. A chime will sound. The liftgate will open even if the doors are locked when you use the instrument panel switch or the power liftgate button on the intelligent key. The liftgate can be set to open to a specific height by performing the following. Open the liftgate. Pull the liftgate down to the desired position and hold. While holding the liftgate in position, press and hold this button located on the liftgate until 2 beeps are heard. After the beeps are heard, the liftgate will only open to the selected position setting. To reset to a different position, repeat this procedure. To close the liftgate, press this button on the instrument panel, press and hold the power liftgate button on the intelligent key, or press this button on the liftgate. To close and lock the liftgate and doors, press this button. A chime will sound when the liftgate is closing. If the vehicle battery is discharged and the power liftgate cannot be opened, move this lever with a suitable tool to open the liftgate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.